Hello everyone, here is a brief explanation about how to remove the head cylinder without to dismantle the entire timing chain assembly. How you can see, there is a cover having on it a couple of pulleys, a tensioner for the serpentine belt. Also there is a bracket here. It's a bracket which sustains the engine. You don't have to remove it. In this video I won't tell you how to remove the cover of the head cylinder, or how to remove different small parts from the head cylinders, or how to break free the exhaust manifold or intake manifold. On this first part I will tell you only how to remove, how to break free the chain from the camshaft without to remove the whole assembly, timing chain assembly. For this matter you have to remove the tensioner, the timing chain tensioner. This is located right here, if you can see it. This is the timing chain tensioner, and after removing this, the chain will be pretty loose. That's why we can remove the camshaft. But beware to make some marks here. It's getting free, and also you can remove even though this, you can see it. Part number 2, the head cylinder, it's kept in place by 6 bolts. 3 of them are in the left side. One of these is here, another is a little bit lower right here, and the third is this. This is part for the serpentine belt tensioner. You don't have to remove it entirely, only 20 millimeter, 25 millimeter. On the left, on the right side, you can see here it's another one, and one it's a little bit lower right here, and the last one and the trickiest one, it's inside of the timing belt assembly, somewhere here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll try to. Yes. And right now it's the time to remove the head of cylinder. Right. And right now you can see there are one hole here, another one here, another one here, 3 in the left, my left, and 2 here, one here, one here, and the trickiest one is here. You can see nothing else, and that's it. You can see, maybe, I don't know, all the pulleys of the from the timing belt, from the serpentine belt, it's in place. That's it.